out here with the Evo. As you can see, it's right here. And you know, when they had that last update on there, they put this little thing on here called missions. And I want to see what this is about. Now, it looks like it might be just for like surveying or something. I don't think it's ready. You know, I think it's a commercial type thing, but I want to see what it's about. You know, I want to check it out. Okay, so I have this one already programmed that I did at the house to come over here. And it says it's 956 meters. I'm going to do a time lapse. On it. I said I'm just not sure how to do it. So I'm going to start video. Okay. And now where it's going to fly is back and forth between me and a little bit past the tennis courts there. So we're going to try it. I have no idea what this is about, but we're going to try it, you know. And that's what we do here, right? We try this stuff. Okay. So let's try it out. Oh. Okay, so it gives you this little pre-flight check here. Oh, you got to take off first. Okay. Okay, you guys can see it on the screen what it's doing. I'll put it back to this area here. And like I said, I have no idea. Okay, so I had the video recording, but I guess once I started this thing, you can see it, it's right there. When I started this thing, I guess when I hit take off or, you know, go on the mission story there, it stopped recording the video I had started and started recording the mission. So it's made one leg so far of the mission, as you can see on the screen there. Okay, so now it's turning around. I guess this stuff is for like some kind of surveying of areas, you know. So now it's going to pass, now it's just going to come back. I mean, I don't really think it's that exciting, to be honest with you, because I don't do any mapping. That's the term I was looking for. If you want to do mapping and stuff, that's what this is for, but I don't do any mapping. I did notice though that the Evo is you want to save the format in a MP4 format. You don't want to use the MOV format because the MOV format is not real compatible with the iPhone, because that's what I use to edit. So it needs to be compatible for me. I guess I can have a smoke while it's doing this deal, because this sure as hell ain't that exciting. Okay, so yeah, that's what this is. This is mapping. And I guess it just does it in these little rectangles. I guess there's no way to change the format, or squares, because you can, where the dots are on the screen there, you can spread them apart, so you could make it a big square, but that's about it. And you just place it over a little area you want to fly, and it's just going to go back and forth. So like I said, it doesn't seem that exciting to me. So I think it's about halfway through this ordeal. I hope I don't fall asleep while I'm doing this, guys. Okay, so it's, like I said, it's not that exciting, okay? But I guess it'll give you some nice views if you set it up right. I mean, this is only the first time I'm trying this thing. I thought it was going to be something cool, you know. Oh, missions. Oh, that's cool, but yeah. It's kind of boring. And it won't even let you shoot video. It's for photos, actually. Photos or time-lapse. You can't even shoot video doing it. That's another, you know, what I would consider to be a bad option. You know, at least they could let you shoot some video of this whole ordeal instead of just getting the screen grab. Well, I guess it's over. Let me start some video. Okay, I'm bringing it back. It was kind of boring, so okay, so at least we know that that option is not really that good. Okay, we'll save that for some other day. Maybe if they ever come out with a different camera on here and I get into the mapping business, maybe that'll show something I'm interested in. All right, there you go. The end of the road. All right, guys. I'll talk to you later. Thanks for watching.